This is an instructional video on how to do an oil change on vehicles with canister style oil filters. Tools needed include a basic mechanics toolkit with metric and SAE sockets, a 3/8 inch drive socket, a 1/2 inch drive socket, one large socket to remove the oil filter housing. This socket size will vary depending on the year, make, and model of the vehicle, 2 jack stands, a roll of paper towels, vehicle ramps, and a jack. Position the jack under the vehicle lift points and lift the car slowly. With vehicle safely sitting on jack, position first jack stand under vehicle mounting points. Proceed to follow the same procedure on the other side of the vehicle. Locate the 3/8 inch drive ratchet and the socket. Attach the socket to the drain bolt and remove using a counterclockwise motion. Make sure to have the drain pan under the oil pan to catch the oil as it comes out. Once the oil is drained, proceed to reinsert drain bolt and tighten snugly. You can now remove the drain pan and lower the vehicle. Once the vehicle has been lowered, you can locate your 1/2 inch drive ratchet and your large socket as pictured. You will now remove the oil filter canister and insert your new oil filter. Remove the oil filter housing. After the oil filter housing is removed, remove the filter from the housing. Wipe the housing down with a clean paper towel. Insert new oil filter. Be sure to also insert a new oil filter O-ring. Once the new filter and O-ring have been installed in the oil filter housing can then be reinserted onto the motor in the reverse order. Proceed to add oil to your vehicle's oil fill hole. You may use a funnel if you would like. Once new oil has been added, the oil level should be checked. You can do so as follows. Remove the dipstick. Wipe off any excess oil. Reinsert the dipstick. The oil level should be as indicated on the oil dipstick. You can then reinsert the oil dipstick